The boxer.
Yeah, the one.
I picked her up, put her in the van. The skin came apart when we picked her up. Put her in the van and took her to the police station. And police were very upset that what is this, what ये सब क्या है, इसको पहले hospital भेजो. They didn't want us to take any action. What I did was took the van to because I knew this is an income tax officer and we are going to be in trouble. Kept the doors open and some of our drivers and ward boys who were there, I had told them कि लोगों को जाके बोलो देखो अंदर कैसे सब हो गया, So the drivers and the ward boys went around telling people, just look what people do to dogs and oh how all that drama was happening. This is only 10 minutes because I wanted the dog treated. I took the police inspector out, said come and see what is happening, and he came thinking it's a huge murder there, and he saw this dog and well, he was shocked. He didn't want to show he was shocked. Went back in and the dog was taken. So that first impact is to make a noise. Again, we did that. The friend from DNA was hovering around with me, and then she had to go urgently because her own German Shepherd was very ill in SPCA with a kidney failure. He had gone into a coma and too upset she had gone there. I was alone. To the first day of Ganesh Chaturthi, Mumbai is packed. You simply can't even think of moving from one area to the other because of the Ganpatis on the road. So none of my committee members from Mumbai could come to help me here. There was no way they would have reached. So I was there all alone. Right from a battery of 3-4 lawyers to Shiv Sainiks who came to warn me, to local goons who came to warn me, to the police inspector in charge who kept trying to warn me, to the extent that they wouldn't let me use the loo. This was around 2 o'clock. Around 1 we had reached. Till 6 I was not allowed to use the loo because they locked it. You can't use it. आप ऐसा करो, आप घर जाओ, कल आके आपको तकलीफ होगी, हमारा अच्छा नहीं है, आप घर जाके आना. Go home, come tomorrow. Our loos are not good enough for you. I said you open it and I will use it. Otherwise I am going to do it right here. To use perfectly okay loo, okay. Then you can see her more clearly. I wish the lights don't come on. Look at her. Her left eye was completely eaten up.
We can't see you then.
Huh?
No, not because of that. I said we can't see you then. The camera can see you.
Okay. Well, my friend was trying to get back. This went on the whole day. It was not 1, I think sometime in the morning. 10 o'clock till it went on till 7 in the evening. The drama of the people and then the man's wife came crying, saying that for the sake of a dog you're going to do this to me. And I said, you got some guts, woman. You got some guts. After what you've done to this dog, you have the guts to follow me to the police station and tell me that for the sake of this dog. I said, she's like my daughter. I've been mentally mad. That is why I couldn't take care of my daughter. 3 kids who are completely healthy. I said, you could remember to take care of them and not her. At the end, it was 7 o'clock, and by the time my friend came back, and she said, I said, Ruko abhi. 5 minutes past 7, I told the police that I hope you know that a woman can't be called to the police station after 7. Did you all know?
Yes.
Okay, for those who don't know. Unless she has murdered someone. And even if she has, of course, I'm saying it in most non-legal terminology, she can add to it. And if I'm wrong, correct me. There has to be a woman, police constable or inspector with her. There has to be a proper criminal reason, case against her before you pick her up after sunset in India. Correct? Am I right? Yeah. So at 7:05, there was no woman police there on the premise. He was still refusing to take the FIR. I said, it's 5 minutes past 7, I'm going to the CP. I'm calling the CP here. And I'm calling the media to say that the police has, caught me illegally here after 7 and they are harassing me. और आपके ऊपर अभी केस करना है molestation का. अरे आपको प्रूव करना पड़ेगा ऐसे भैया लॉज बहुत स्ट्रांग है हमारे फेवर में. आप प्रूव करो कि आपने मुझे molest नहीं किया है. So then by 7:30 he did it. So he was sweating and he did the case. He first said NC karo, daily diary karo, I said no, FIR. And like she said, photographs were there. And I forgot to add the photo of Rani when she stood up after 14 days. Okay? But the organ failure And finally she did die after a month. The organs had really gone. They had been kind of gone. So she died after a month, and she died in Mumbai SPCA where I had finally taken her. So we filed an FIR. Then the FIR copy along with the covering letter was sent to his bosses in the income tax office. Mumbai Mirror covered it on their front page spread. DNA put it on their third page, and we got a lot of media mileage out of it. Then I took out xeroxes of this and distributed in his office. And no one can stop you, no? I mean, you're just going and saying, "Bhaiya, ye padho na please. Ye padho na please." And pyar se de rahe padho. So you can't do much about that. So that was also distributed to everyone. His officers by then were really upset because he had brought shame to them. The senior assistant income tax officer today is one of our biggest volunteers. She doesn't want her name to be shared anywhere. She donates every year for her daughter's birthday, and she sent me a note which is still with me, an email actually, and a SMS which said that I'm quite ashamed at what has happened in my office. You know, people like you have given us back hope in humanity, and I'll follow this up because this is a shame for us. And she did follow it up. She did follow it up. The case is still dragging in court. I've gone once or twice. Okay. Photographs were submitted to the police. Then I got the post-mortem done, and the post-mortem report, which is terrible. She talked about her insides, and she was. When they did the post-mortem, they first had, does this dog not have organs? Because she was full of worms inside. इतने पेट के अंदर maggots थे कि the post-mortem में आ गया है वो. So he lost out on his promotion permanently. The man will never retire with promotion. He was due for 2 promotions. He is never going to get it. He has been shamed because he distributed everything in his whole society. He had to leave his whole area and go to Mumbai. And he went overnight without telling me. His boss calls me up at night. Naina, don't tell anyone. He's shifted from here. He's got himself transferred to so-and-so branch, and this is where he's living.
I just want to interrupt for a moment. Actually, you know, kind of distributing something against somebody can be defamation.
Yes.
Now, in this case, why was it not defamation? Because one of the exceptions to defamation is the truth. Suppose what you are, see, pictures, you know, now he will never go to court and then prove himself wrong. So when you have people saying, no, this didn't happen, okay, but not really doing too much more about it, you can be sure. See, what I'm basically trying to say is truth is a defense to defamation. That is why Naina didn't have any action against her.
Yeah.
Because, I mean, she basically just said something that had actually been occurring.
Yeah, and I was clear that we are not going to write anything against him. We're just giving you the news to read.
Yes.
This is Mumbai's Mirror news. Please read this news. Maybe you missed out yesterday's Mumbai Mirror. The very next day, the
Okay, I thought you wrote it out. Even
No.
that wouldn't have been defamation.
Mumbai Mirror का cover का xerox दिया सबको.
Okay.
I think that the name was mentioned, the person's name was mentioned.
Yeah, of course. But I didn't mention it. And my focus was the dog and what these
And the
people-
reason why newspapers very often don't get sued, okay? There's a lot of misreporting that happens and they do face defamation actions. But see, you know, you have pictures, you have material to corroborate what you are saying, and the law is that truth is a defense to defamation.
And the fellow who had the, you know, the only thing that really bugs me with all these guys is the sheer arrogance that comes with their positions and their posts, and the fact that no one else has ever questioned us. So who the hell are this bunch of women, you know? He sent a letter on his official letterhead, which he should never do, using it for anything other than work, right? He sent a letter on his official letterhead to our head office, to Sudhnya Patkar, saying that, ma'am, do you know what's happening in your Navi Mumbai office? office, this lady, she's your managing committee member, but she's doing exactly as she pleases. Would you want that she is spoiling your name? She's spoiling your name. She took away my Rani, my fourth child, away from me. Yes, I agree that Rani was in a sad condition, was in a bad condition because my wife is mentally ill. I will prove it to you. But therefore, you should have understood better. She took away Rani, she took her away to, and that I did. I took away the dog. At that point, I didn't think I'm SPCA, not SPCA. The dog is dying, I'm taking her away. बाद में आपको देख लेंगे. So, you know, she did this, she did that, and please take action against her. Please dismiss her from your managing committee membership.
Abandoned the dog, right?
No.
Dog would then dump it into another house or something.
But then
Exactly
they tried to
my-
fight.
Yeah.
Exactly what I told the police. The police was trying to say that आपने इनके घर से लिया. These tiles were only, his house had fancy tiles. These tiles were only with the
There's no
neighbor.
one who kidnapped him because you already abandoned the dog, right?
Yeah, so those tiles proved.
Yeah.
Those tiles proved that this is not his house.
Yeah.
And I've got several pictures, about 10 of them, which actually shows the location. So when you're clicking photographs also, see that some of the background, somewhere you get a clue of where it is. Otherwise it could be from Timbuktu.
No, but
Yeah.
what is scary is the number of dogs like this that are not found, not disturbed.
That's
That
it.
is my worry.
Well, like I said, one donor had asked Sudhya as to how come after 2009, I was sharing with them yesterday, after 2008-9, Naina's stories have not come on. We have our own donor mail, Google Guru. So why is it not come out on that? And Sudhya said, you better respond. I said, well, I'd like to respond even at the cost of sounding arrogant, that maybe gross abuse has reduced because of the amount of noise we have made. All these cases are between 2006 and 8. And it's not like recently I've rescued a German Shepherd who was locked up in a go down, but those kind of cases, but these gross cases, no, have not come up since. I'm not saying they don't exist. Like she says, well, there could be several that are, but I'm still thinking that there are enough people who know us to just call us to tell us, ki, you know, this is happening.
There was it's not like that, I'm not an activist, I'm just learning. But a few years ago.
You are an activist.
Okay, you say
Don't,
so.
yeah.
But
We have just discussed the different types of activism.
one of my neighbors, the colony that I lived in, that time covered, I think you were in Cuba. Someone had tied a stone on a cat's neck and thrown it to a deep well. And one of the neighbors called me because there was nowhere to call. I called you early morning. And me and the watchman and I took a long ladder from one of the construction sites. We were carrying it through the streets to that well. And we were like a relay. We like, you know, went down, was terrified. But luckily there was very little water. But they just got this mewing all night long.
Yeah.
And we went climbed down, we got sent a little boy, he threw the cat up there. Terrified and we had to and then ran. So that's what you do. But you know, somebody had actually done that.
Next time, make a racket about it.
Yeah, well, I didn't know what to do with it.
No, I'm just telling you. You may not achieve everything. This case is still going on, Anjali, and I don't know how many years it will go on. So the other strategy I have is that these guys are not going to hang this man. So I might as well drag it a bit because it's helping in keeping him in control, and his promotions are getting held. So मैं कभी बीमार होती हूँ, कभी बीमार होती हूँ मैं, कभी कुछ ऐसा Okay, go to the next.
Yeah, what's it?
Yeah, finished. I'm done.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Because he was asking.
No, I'm done. Just in this case, again, like in the, if you've read the case about that dog tied up, which died, okay, on Voice of Stray Dogs, whispers from the past. I've done a similar kind of thing here, but I've also got the name of the man before he ran away back to Kerala. So we filed a case against him, and it was not unknown. I remember something, forget his name now, Nair something. So he anyway went away, and I got, after the police, I went after all the hawkers in that area. कि तुम लोग भी ऐसे करते होंगे, क्या करते हैं, क्या है, you know, general again nuisance value. So that whole area, no one does this kind of things. You know, they just move away if there's an animal around. But, and there's a case filed against that man at the police station. Of course, the police asked me, how do you know he has done it? So I told the police, come with me to ask the other hawkers.
Which they didn't want to do.
So they came to ask the other hawkers. And each hawker said, I have not done it, I have not done it. I said, see, one of you guys has done it here. I mean, her parts have not just fallen off on their own. And you can make out that there are knife wounds. Come on. So you must have done it. No, you must have done it. Then they said who has done it. That's how using a bit of human psychology here. I've told you about this one. Okay. This is corruption, and this is where the RTI Act helps you. This is gross corruption, gross misuse of funds, which is happening in many ABC centers. Like I said, people have smelled blood, they've got greedy with the money. A dog doesn't tell you whether he was sterilized or not. So many cases I've heard of people, and this is one area I'm still very frustrated. They come, they tell you that my dog, I have cases that have come to IDA, Anjali, where the mother has been picked up, the baby, and then our vet is calling me saying that, ma'am, iski to ear notching hua hai.
That's what Geeta just
The
said.
ear has notched and she's delivered. And she's been picked up from an area where we don't do the sterilization.
Oh my God.
At least 4-5 such cases in last 6 months.
Oh, yes, happened.
That
Dog was
also.
like double sterilized and produced babies immediately afterwards. So that was just a hoax.
Numbers are manipulated. Some Milli Bhagat. So this is a gross thing. I don't know, unless something happens from top and the whole thing is controlled, it's going to get out of hand. And my real fear is someday that people are going to wake up and say, look at the money that's gone into the sterilization programs from taxpayers' money that's gone into this from all the corporations. And there are still so many dogs, which means the program has failed, which means that the dog's rule is not valid anymore. Let's catch them and kill them.
Can't there be some method of auditing NGOs that do games?
Social audits have to happen.
NGOs do
I'm not saying all are like that. I'm just saying that there are
There
several like this all
numbers
over.
everywhere, including
We'll talk about it. I have to do a session just now in which I'll just talk a little bit about AWO responsibility and we can discuss this.
because some of them need to be.
Yeah, well, this is all part of the corruption. I don't need to tell you anymore. This is definitely part of the corruption. As an activist, learn to pick up cues and learn to think from where you can get more information. A simple RTI got me on the track of understanding. Come on, 440 per dog for euthanizing, for heaven's sake. I mean, into 1,000 per month. So how much of the money has gone for a activity which either you are doing, which is illegal, or you're not doing, which is illegal for taking money? Well, for this case, the municipal commissioner got transferred because my friend who's a lawyer also make friends with lawyers. But some of them remain good friends and some are friends and help out a lot. Rahul is a great chap. You must meet him. ऐसे हुआ क्या? रुक, you get out of it, I'm doing it. And then he filed a case, he sent a show cause notice. I don't know what all he did till that fellow had to be removed. The health officer also left. Someone else also, animal husbandry chap also had to leave and go because he was hand in glove with the whole thing. Of course, the man continues doing the ABC though. Okay, I think we're done.
Thank you.
Thank you.